Hello everyone, welcome back to another quarterfinal of Kamavit's Brand Edition. This is the last quarterfinal 4. Till now, three quarterfinals have completed, and Jeet, Kritika, Neha, Srinath, and Sarda and Shwetank have already qualified into the semifinals. The last two spots for the semifinals uh, are the ones which four new participants are going to play today. So today we have Ava, we have Caroline, we have Ketki and Saurabh, and we'll just start off. Basic rules that we have. Nobody is allowed to use a virtual background which has the answer. And since it's a brand quiz, so Saurabh is in the safe water. Uh, Now, every correct answer has 10 points. And once I give you a hint and we go on to another attempt, it becomes for 5. The questions will be passed in a cyclic manner. So it will go Ava, Caroline, Ketki, and Saurabh. And then after the first half, we'll be reversing the order. That is Saurabh, Ketki, Caroline, and Ava. Your humor-based answers are encouraged because they are fun points. And so are your wild guesses, because in the previous quarterfinal yesterday, we saw that a lot of wild guesses came out to be the right answer. We'll start today's quiz just to keep you on the record that all of you have already scored on the fun points. So all the best. We start off today's quiz with Ava, the first direct. Now, this Formula One team, F1 team, is headquartered in Silverstone with a new 15,000 square meters of setup, which is supposed to be operational by 2022. The new facility will be based directly opposite the Silverstone circuit on the 29 acres of land at Litch Lake Farm. The X brand is increasingly being used mostly through licensing on other products, including a submarine, real estate, development, and aircraft. So this F1 team, most of our F1 teams are made out of some automobile company. So this particular one, the brand which we are talking about, is recently going to have a new setup, a new track, new facility, along with the current existing Silverstone circuit track. Plus, this brand also has products, or they are also supplying uh, parts to submarines. They are putting up into real estate development as well as aircraft. What brand is this?
Wild guess, Ferrari.
Okay, not Ferrari. Going to Caroline.
Ambuja Cement. Okay, it's aircraft, submarine, real estate development. Is it something to do with NASA?
Is that your answer for the Formula One team and the brand of the car?
Yeah.
Not NASA. Going to Ketki.
I'll just say Tesla.
Not Tesla. Saurabh.
I'm gonna say Red Bull Racing.
Not Red Bull Racing. We'll go another round. Now, this Silverstone track circuit uh, is is based in UK, and so is the company's headquarter. Now, uh, the particular brand that we're talking about, this one is famous for being used in a very popular franchise of movies. So we'll go again with Ava.
Uh, I have two options, but Jaguar.
Not Jaguar. Good guess. Caroline.
Porsche.
Not Porsche. Huh? Going to Kethi.
Since you said UK, I'll guess Rolls Royce because that is the only thing I associate with.
Good guess. Uh, Going to Saurabh.
Mercedes.
Not Mercedes. The correct answer is
Hang
Aston
on,
Martin.
actually, I have.
So, yeah, what were you saying? I might give you
I
fun
was
point.
going to say
Right,
again.
you were referring to?
Yeah. Who was that? Kethi or Caroline?
AP.
It.
Yeah, yeah. What were you saying?
Yeah. Okay, so the movies you were referring to was the Bond films, right? Damn. Nice.
So Aston Martin is the Formula One team that is headquartered in Silverstone, UK. So Jeet would have loved this question, but going ahead,
I was just gonna say sorry, Jeet.
the next direct is again for Ava because nobody got this particular one. While Blank is a Chinese company, its products are heavily influenced by Japanese design. Blank's marketing strategy has been compared to Japanese retailers such as Muji and Uniqlo due to similarities in both store aesthetics, brand design, and inventory. Because of its Japanese influenced branding strategy, the company's products have been criticized as made in China to look Japanese, particularly when most of the company's stores are located in China, where people trust Japanese brands more than their domestic offerings. What brand are we talking about?
Oh God. Miniso.
Brilliant answer. It is Miniso. Miniso
God.
opens our account with 10 points, bringing the next direct to Caroline. Now, I want you to fill in the blank with the brand representing the Bombay cafe culture. So there's Olive, Monkey Bar, Fatty Bao, Toast and Tonic, Ek Bar, Lady Baga, Blank, and Guppy. These are all restaurants and cafes. There's one that is missing. I want you to tell me the name of that.
Three Wise Monkeys?
Okay, that's Three Wise Men, and no, that is not the right answer. Uh,
Three
going
Monkeys
to
or
be
something. No, I mean just saying. Isn't that one in car? Three Monkeys or
Yeah,
something to
it is
it
Three Wise
monkeys.
Monkeys only. Yeah, right.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah,
there
है
is
ना
one in
यार,
car.
कार
Three
में है
Wise
ना Three
Monkeys.
Wise Monkeys.
Just outside the car station.
Yeah, she's right. She's right. It's there.
Bombay cafe culture. Brand repressing the. Okay, so I have so many guesses right now. Uh, there's okay, olive Pantra, Monkey Bar again, Fatty Bao, Toast and Tonic. I'll say BSC or something.
Can you tell me the full form?
Bar Stock Exchange.
Not Bar Stock Exchange. Going to Saurabh.
As a person who has never lived in Mumbai, I'm just gonna say Vada Pav. So I mean, I don't know. No idea at all. Is it Hard Rock Cafe by any chance?
Not Hard Rock Cafe. Going to Ava.
I have no idea. So maybe O Pedro.
Not Petro. We'll go another round for 5 points. Now think of the oldest cafes that are there and a modern brand that tends to represent that oldest Bombay cafe. And this is not just in Bombay, there are other outlets throughout the country and probably one in Dubai as well. So, Caroline,
Is it Tanatan?
no, not Tanatan. going to Ketki.
Soda bottle opener wala.
Brilliant answer. It is soda bottle opener wala.
My
So-
first guess was actually Cafe Britannia because that is where the cafe culture actually began.
But again, so I was keeping this hint for later stages because it's the Irani cafe thing. Now, with 5 points, Ketki also opens her account. The next direct goes to Saurabh. Now, patrons can unlock monetary tiers that increase the content type they see from the user. Several content creators on X are also YouTubers. They can create content on multiple platforms, and while the YouTube videos may be available to the public, the patrons receive private content made exclusively for them in exchange for aiding the X user's goal. X takes a 5% commission on the pledges. Rest 95% goes to the person to whom they are being a patron. Now, as of May 2017, the average pledge per patron was around $12, and a new patron pledged to a creator, pledged to a creator every 5.5 seconds. Identify the company or the platform that we're talking about.
Is it Patreon?
Brilliant answer. It is Patreon. Yeah, I knew it. Some people in the spectator group are going with OnlyFans. Great. So Patreon gets 10 points for Saurabh. And with this, I think we have reached the first half. No, this is the last question of the first half, direct for Ava. Now, Blank is an American brand of purified bottled water that is produced by PepsiCo, consisting of both unflavored and flavored water. The brand name is also licensed for use on multiple skincare products, including lip balm and wrinkle creams. It was first distributed in Wichita, Kansas in 1994 before becoming more widely sold across the US, Canada, Spain, Peru. In Peru, this particular brand was known as San Carlos. Lebanon, Turkey, the Gulf countries, Iran, Egypt, Morocco, Vietnam, Pakistan, and India to compete with the Coca-Cola companies Dasani and Dr. Pepper's Snapple's Deja Blue. Identify this particular brand of purified water.
I have absolutely no idea. Unflavored and flavored water. I have no idea. Is it La Croix?
Not Lacroix. Going to Caroline.
I would have to go with Bisleri.
Is that your final answer?
But GCC countries, Iran, Egypt, Morocco, Coca-Cola's company Sally, and Dr. Pepper, Snapples, Deja Blue. It's produced by PepsiCo. Flavored and unflavored water. Hair products. Skincare products. Is it Aquafina?
Brilliant answer. It is Aquafina. Aquafina is the water brand for PepsiCo.
PepsiCo.
You know it's American when they need flavored water.
I know, that's why. I was like, suna hua lagta hai.
So I would have given a clue saying that think of Asian rappers. That was my hint that I had prepared.
She's in the new movie also, no?
What new movie? I have only seen her in that
In the
very wealthy.
isn't she in that
Crazy
Manga
Rich
movie
Asians.
that
Shang-Chi. Yeah, she's in Shang-Chi.
yes,
Yeah.
Kali trailer dekha. That's why I was only thinking of her and thinking of Aquafina. Kali trailer dekha.
So with this, we get to the first half of this quiz. Now the orders will be reversed. It will be Saurabh, Ketki, Caroline, and Ava. So the next direct is for Saurabh. Now this is a list. This list has one particular brand involved. So in 1886, Charles Page, who was the U.S. consul to Switzerland, and George Page, who were both brothers, from Lee County, Illinois, USA, established the Anglo-Swiss Condensed Milk Company in Cham, Switzerland. 1867, in Vevey, Switzerland, this particular company, X or blank, developed milk-based baby food and soon began marketing it. Blank is different, X is different. 1875, Blank retired. The company, under the new ownership, retained his name as Societe Farine Lactée Blank. 1877, Anglo-Swiss, the first company that we are talking about, added milk-based baby foods to its line of products in the following year. The X company added condensed milk to its portfolio, which made the firms direct rivals because earlier one was producing condensed milk and the second was producing baby products. Now they've taken each other's products. Now in 1879, X merged with milk chocolate inventor Daniel Peter. So I want you to tell me the name of X, like the X name.
Just a second, too much information.
Yeah. Also, accidentally, I had said that X and blank are different. They're the same.
I really don't know what is. This is Nestle by any chance?
It is Nestle. Brilliant answer. So, Nestle was uh, a company which was in Vevey, Switzerland, and they were producing baby food. And on the other hand, Anglo Swiss was producing condensed milk. So, later on, they became rivals. And because Daniel Peter was a person who was separately working on milk chocolates, with milk chocolates, Nestle got a partner with whom they can actually win through the market. Brilliant guess or brilliant answer, I should say, for Saurabh. Bringing the next direct to Ketki. Now, Havells India Limited is a $1 billion plus organization and is one of the largest and India's fastest growing electrical and power distribution equipment manufacturer, with products ranging from industrial and domestic circuit protection switchgear, MCBs, ACBs, cables and wires, motors, fans, power capacitors, CFL lamps, luminaires for domestic, commercial, and industrial applications, modular switches, water heaters, and domestic appliances, covering the entire gamut of household, commercial, and industrial electrical needs. It also has the business for the US based electrical company X. I want you to tell me which company is doing business in India with a partnership with Havells.
It's UK or US because it says UK, but you said US.
UK based.
Okay. यूके में कौन सा इलेक्ट्रिकल कंपनीज है यूके में So they have done like a partnership with this UK based company, right?
Yeah, the company in itself is still there. They have not absorbed the company. It's still there. But in India, in order to do business without any stringent regulations, they have partnered with Havells.
So this X company is Indian, right?
No, X is UK based. Havells is
UK.
Indian.
Just give me like a minute.
Sure, sure.
Is it General Electric?
Not General Electrical. Good guess. Going to Caroline.
Has to be Reliance. But UK. Is it that company, something with L? Is it Lloyd's?
Not Lloyd. Going to Ava.
I have no idea. So IKEA. I know it's wrong.
Not IKEA. Going to Saurabh.
No idea at all. Hamara Bajaj. This is Hamara Bajaj. No idea at all.
Not Bajaj. I'll go another round. Now, this particular uh, company, the brand that we're talking about, it basically is a electrical company. It produces a lot of things, a lot of appliances, a lot of switches, etc. But switches is what they are most popular for in India. They're also producing MCBs and like circuit protection, etc. But when we think about this company, their major marketing goes into switches. And it's a company that took its name from a sea creature. We'll go another round with Ketki.
Crabtree.
Aditya, could you
Really?
repeat the last hint, please?
So I was just
Yeah,
saying
sorry.
that
From a
the name is derived from a sea animal or sea creature. So yeah, Crabtree is the right answer. Crabtree is the company I was looking for. With this, Ketki gets another 5. The next direct goes to Caroline. Now, the offerings from the company that started as a manufacturer of photographic films, which it still produces, include document solutions, medical imaging, diagnostic equipment, cosmetics, pharmaceutical drugs, regenerative medicines, stem cells, biologics manufacturing, magnetic tapes, data storage, optical films for flat panel displays, optical devices, photocopiers and printers, digital cameras, color films, color paper, photo finishing, and graphic arts equipment and materials. This is a wide line of products that this particular company provides, but they started off with photographic films. Now, this particular company also sells the Instax series of instant camera.
Polaroid.
Not Polaroid. Going to Ava.
Polaroid was also my guess, but Fuji.
Brilliant answer. It is Fuji Films. So 10 points again. So this is what happens. A lot of people think Insta camera means Polaroid and they go on with it. Fuji is the right answer. Also, Polaroid does not produce printers and a lot of other things. So with this, we go to the last 2 questions of today's quiz. The direct is for Saurabh. Now, the first opal glass plant was set up at Madhopur, Bihar by X in 1988. This is I'm talking about in India. By 1991, it earned the honor of being the first exporter of opal glass tableware. In 2007, X became the first Indian company to supply 24% lead crystal glassware to the world-renowned tableware company Rosenthal. Now, it's a very popular Indian brand. I just want you to identify this.
Gubain.
Good guess, not Gopain. Going to Ketki.
Is it Laupala?
Brilliant answer. It is La Opala. So La Opala gets Ketki another 10 points. La Opala, a brand for tableware, a very popular brand for tableware, and at my household, a brand which I'm not supposed to touch.
Same,
So-
same.
Every Indian house.
Every Indian household.
So I did not even know that this is called opal glassware. For me, that material itself was La Opala, and you're not
This
supposed
is
to
like
touch
our
it.
jacuzzi, right?
Yeah, it's our jacuzzi. So brilliant answer. We go to the next and the last direct for today's quiz to Caroline. Lynx is a brand of male grooming products owned by Unilever and marketed toward the younger male demographic. It's marketed as Lynx in the UK, Ireland, Malta, Australia, New Zealand, and China. However, its original name for the Indian market is something else. What brand are we talking about?
I can only think of fog.
Is that a final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, not Fog. Going to Ava.
Uh, I can see it in my head. I just can't remember it. I don't know. Axe.
Brilliant answer. It is Axe. So Ava gets another 10 points for Axe. With this, we come to an end to today's brilliant quiz. I just need a second to tally the scores. Okay, we need a tiebreaker because Caroline has 10 points for Aquafina. Ketki has 5 points for Soda Bottle Opener Wala, 5 points for Crabtree, and 10 points for Laupala, which makes her total as 20. Saurabh for Patreon and Nestle also has 20. So there's a tiebreaker required. Ava, on the other hand, has gotten Miniso, Fujifilm, and Axe, which brings her total to 30. So everyone here can play for the tiebreaker. We are getting into the tiebreaker and we'll go through the same line. So we'll start with Ava, Caroline, Ketki, and Saurabh. First tiebreaker for today is I was named because of the relevance from 2001 A Space Odyssey, and my onset helped my parent to introduce the Walkman of the 21st century. I was just 9 months late than my online music company, and I gave rise to a radio contemporary that was my name's portmanteau. Portmanteau is basically wordplay. Identify me.
The iPod. I don't know.
I should have kept Ava away from this tiebreaker because it is the iPod. So we continue with the tiebreaker. The next direct is for Caroline. Thank God I made multiples. Now, Stern and Strauss Importers Clothing was established in San Francisco by a German immigrant and his brother-in-law. Later, Jacob Davis, a tailor, joined them to make them what they are today. They created pants with rivets that popularized within construction workers. Now, what am I, or what is this brand most popular for? I need the particular product and not the name of the brand.
Jeans?
Brilliant answer. It is jeans. So now there's a tie between Caroline Ketki and Saurabh, and the next direct will be for Ketki. This is the last tiebreaker that I have made, so I hope one of you gets it. Now, Italian automobiles factory, Turin, is what I am. Electric vehicles were in my mind way back in the mid 1970s. Giovanni Agnelli started it with 35 staff members, making 24 cars, which made a small profit, and then they produced 135 more cars. Name the company.
Is it Fiat?
Brilliant answer. It is Fiat. Fiat
Oh
is
my God. This is taking my anxiety a little too much, यार. तू अक्कड़ बक्कड़ बंग बे बो करके दे दे किसी को. I don't mind.
नहीं हो गया ना. तो you were at 20 and now you have 10, so you are now with 30 points. So Fiat is factory Italian automobiles Turin, FIAT. With this, we come to an end to today's quiz with all my tiebreaker question consumed. So Ava and Ketki with 40 and 30 points respectively reach the semifinals from today's quarterfinal.
Yes.
And congratulations to both. Ketki must be
Thank you so
tired
much.
from getting into so many finals now. Now, thank you so much,
I'm just
Saurav.
keeping quiet. I don't want to come across as modest or weak.
I'm
you
just
so
glad
much.
I got 2 answers.
I
Yeah,
lost in the
Progress since
quiz.
last
I
time
was
it was
eighth.
0.
Yeah,
The
same. I came last
entire
in the last quiz.
tiebreaker
I'm
felt
just
like
now
deja
just
vu.
like, yes.
okay, Saurav was there in the last tiebreaker as well. Okay, so that should be kept in mind from now on, that whenever Saurav plays, I need to have a few tiebreaker questions. So thank you so much, Caroline and Saurav, for playing today. And congratulations to Ava and Ketki. We'll be seeing you in the next semifinal. On the fun points today, we have a winner, Caroline, but she has only 5 points. So Mansi will be carrying forward what she got in the previous quarterfinal because she leads with 7 points. Congratulations, Caroline, to be the winner of today's Fun Points.
Something. I won
Thank you
something.
so much. We'll meet you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye. Good night.